In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get SHEIN coupon code for a new user. Let's get started. First, download the official SHEIN app from the App Store or Google Play Store, or visit the SHEIN website and create a new account using your email address, phone number, or a supported social login. Once logged in, navigate to the Me page. Here you're going to find this section of coupons or new user section, where SHEIN often provides welcome offers, first order discounts, or coupon bundles for eligible new customers. You may also receive a welcome coupon after verifying your email address or phone number. Before placing your order, browse the app for special promotions, flash sales, or app exclusive deals that can be often combined with eligible coupons. When you are ready to check out, enter your coupon code in the coupon code or promo code field if required, or simply select an available coupon from your account and apply it to your order. Keep in mind that new user offers vary by country, account eligibility, and current promotions, so the discount available to you may differ from someone else. Always review the coupon's terms, including any minimum purchase requirements or expiration date, before completing your purchase. And that's it. This way we can easily get SHEIN coupon code for a new user. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.